Welcome to PFTV. Petu Pagania, a beautiful game by the boys today.
Too much. The boys gave a beautiful display, and I think Saturday is Obuya. This was to prove Uguti. Lapaya, we played behind closed doors, and Meles Bui. You understand? We need 4 goals, and we need our top players. Our top players are on the bench, and some on the stands, and we need our players to show up. Namapagania as a stadium. Uguti so we need it. We need it, Mapagania. We need it.
Pagania.
Yes, the combination one in Tawamama. See, my number was Allegany goal. Sinende one, Maupe and Pet. Sinelli can see Peggy. Yeah, it would you Chende one. Sometimes I told next this season. I told next, Pagania. And then Pagania. Maupegile, coach Mele set up his scheme for Saturday.
Coach must be very clever. Okay, so understanding TRC, Tatama chance. You understand? Ufagama player way to as qualify for a World Cup as the Orlando Pirates on the bench. You can't do that. It's a big team. We can't underestimate any team. We cannot underestimate even Polokwane City. It showed today it can damage us, but we Zamil, but Magafagama player as a we must be offensive and defensive at the same time. Yabon, Skonukfaga, 4 goals. Please.
So today we saw a beautiful performance, Pagania. We saw some of the French players, Abon Butuma coming in, Abonom Tanchela. When are you putting in Umbata or are you putting in Unom Tanchela? Are you putting Butuma or Mahopa? We want to line up for it.
Ngafaka Umbata, ngifaka uNemtanjela, ngifake noMbule. And then phambili ngifake uMahopa. Urile makakhona, simlele urile ngoMahopa. Yabona? Because uMbutuma I think is a typical 20th century striker. He needs a midfielder that's going to pass him the ball, not on the air. Phezulu iyamhlula. Ufuna ema-spacing, ema-khwapheni, yabona? So khona ukubakhawatha kahle. Yabona? Mbutuma we can put in second half. We can start with Mahopa to see in the first half. If we get 2 goals, it's fine. If not, then we put in a more offensive team in the second half. There's no choice.
So who's Ndulu upon for this one?
Yeah, Ndulu is too defensive. I need attacking players. I attack from first minute. I need attacking midfielders, attacking strikers, attacking defenders on the flanks. Ngidinga abantu abazo-attacker. Angidingi ukudefenda ngalelo langa. Angifuni ukubabona nalabafana labo ukuthi bayenzani kanjani. Ngifuna uku-attacker ngikora ama-goal. Simple.
Thanks, Pagania. Obachele, Pagania. Saturday we must fill up Orlando Stadium.
Saturday, Pagania, please fill up Orlando Stadium. Azeni support abafana. Shayela abantu. We need the Champions League, guys. We need to support our coach. Please.
Thanks, Pagania. Bopa.